When you decide to import products from China, then the first and the most important thing is that you need to figure out what kind of product to and prefer China that you can make money, no matter you want to sell by e-commerce to sell or offline stores. And the answer to this question will be quite different on people, because it all depends on everyone's business mode or depends on the business environment on his country. For a lot of new importers or people who don't have any experiences in marketplace, most of them, they will make a lot of common mistakes, and many of these mistakes will waste them a lot of money and time. And sometimes the first failure will make a lot of people giving up their business dreams because they waste 1 or 2 years saving by investing on the wrong products. If you are a new seller, then don't choose this kind of products. When you are doing the online marketing, original products cannot capture buyers' attention, and they are not interested to buy them. For the past 10 years in China, there are numerous summer manufacturers that making the jewelry products. They are dead. And there are also numerous small shops, no matter it's online or offline. They are selling jewelry products. They either dead or they are having really hard time to survive. For the shops I have mentioned above, we Chinese also need to spend 2 or 3 US dollars to buy a pair of good quality cotton shorts. They are either sold by big retailers or sold by big shorts manufacturers directly from their e-commerce stores. So, does it mean there is no operation for this kind of generic products at all? Of course, there are operations, but only limited to the following 2 conditions. The first opportunity is to make more improvements or adjustments on this kind of generic product, make them stand out for those original types. Cotton shorts is very fierce competition, but no profit market. But the Swedish shorts brand Heavy Shorts are very successful for the past 10 years by selling their very cool and interesting design shorts. It means that you won't have many competitors that sell exactly the same thing, and the customers are willing to spend more money to buy your products because there are not so many people selling this kind of product. And this kind of product can satisfy the demand of a small group of people. Even the market demand is very small, but it's enough for you to make good money from this small goods. Well, it's not assumed that you cannot buy any brand product from China. I mean, you can still buy it, but only limited to the following 2 certifications. If a brand there's no official retail in your country, and you can accept the total cost, including the shipping and the import cost, to get them from China, you can buy. And here is a very important thing that you need to note is that you have to choose a supplier who are officially advertised by the brand company for selling these products in China. Because when you are doing the import-export process, you need to provide suppliers advertised certification, which is issued by the brand company to improve your products. It's advertised, otherwise the customer will consider them as certificate. Finding a professional freeholder is also very important, because sometimes they can help you handle clearance, even without any certifications, and of course, you can accumulate a lot of loyal customers. If you like this video, please give the thumbs up and don't forget to subscribe to my channel, and I will see you in the next video.